Hello, I'm Alexander Chismich with GDS, and this is our new Hornet. Like the Mu Grind Super Chuck, it uses an internal spring package to pull back on the collet. This eliminates the drawbar influence and guarantees a consistent clamp every time. And it uses HPS collets which have a less than 1 degree taper for maximum clamping force. So there is minimal tool deflection during grinding and the tool always comes back to the center after each operation. You don't build up any runout. The result, you hold runout within 2 microns from tool to tool, even when you change the collets. And your runout after grinding is under 5 microns. Amazing! Let us know if you have any questions and come and see us at IMTS.
I put it in my baggage.
Okay, the luggage is packed with me. Now, we see us in Chicago. I go on a long trip. Say bye-bye and see you in Chicago.